Hi, and welcome to Astronomy for October 2022. We have another exciting, action-packed month ahead. On October 7th, if you're looking to the northwest, you'll see the Draconids meteor shower. Now, it's a minor meteor shower, so you can expect about 10 meteors an hour. It's basically produced by a comet that's named Giacobini Zinner. Was discovered in 1900. The shower runs annually between October 6th and the 10th, and it's going to peak this year on the 7th. So if you happen to be looking into the sky toward the northwest on the 7th of October, you'll see the Draconids. It should be a lot of fun. Natural fireworks is what I call them. On the next day, on the 8th, we have Mercury. Mercury is at its greatest western elongation. If you're looking to the east, now this is just after sunset. Okay, and you're looking directly east, you will see Mercury on the horizon. It's going to reach an elongation of 18 degrees from the sun. So this is the best time to view Mercury. If you're a big Mercury fan, well, break out the telescope and view it. This is the time to do it. On the 9th, well, we have the full moon. Now, this full moon is the Hunter's full moon, mainly called that because this is the time of year that you would hunt. Native Americans, their different tribes, hunted during this month, as do modern people. It also was known as the travel moon and the blood moon. We can also see, and this is looking to the southeast, you'll also see Jupiter and Saturn. And if you want to look further to the east, you'll catch Uranus over here. Everyone's lined up with this full moon. So it's a really exciting time. You can find some planets very easily from looking at this full moon, and then off to the right, you got Jupiter and Saturn. To the left, you have Uranus, and you also have some other meteor showers that are there as well. So really nice time to look up in the sky. Now, if you happen to be around on the 20th, we have an interesting arrangement going on here. But we also have the Orionids meteor shower. And that runs usually between the 20th and the 22nd of October. They're called the Orionids because they appear near Orion. That's really where they come from. This one will produce at least 20 meteors per hour, which is kind of cool. It should put on a very nice show. So you probably want to go to best viewing time is probably after midnight, I would say, or near midnight, around midnight, somewhere between, I would say anywhere from like 11:30 at night till like 2 o'clock in the morning. I think that's the best viewing of this. Also, you get a nice, while you're viewing that, you also have a nice view of Mars here. And you have Betelgeuse right below it. And Aldebaran straight up forming a triangle. So it's kind of a cool setup you got for viewing, and the Orionids right here. So that's the 20th, looking to the east, really around midnight. You'll get some great views there. Now, on the 25th of October, it's an interesting day. We have a new moon that takes place, which is good because you'll need this so you can see some deep sky objects. If you're looking for Neptune, you'll find it to the right of Jupiter. good day to view it because it'll be nice and dark. I would view this toward midnight. If you look to the right of Neptune, you'll find Saturn. Saturn and Jupiter will be out for the whole month of October in the sky, so you get some great viewing. Also Uranus, way over here to the left, if you want to view that. You need a telescope, pretty powerful telescope to see Neptune, just so you know. But also on the 25th, this is actually another surprising thing going on, is a partial solar eclipse is taking place. So a partial solar eclipse occurs when the moon covers only part of the sun, sometimes resembling, well, like a bite taken out of like a cookie. That's really what you get for that kind of look. A partial solar eclipse can only be safely observed with a solar filter. So make sure you have one on your telescope. You could also look at the reflection of it if you want to. Partial eclipses are best seen in parts of western Russia, Kazakhstan. It will also be visible central Russia with over 80% coverage. Now at the end of the month, you'll have some good viewing of Mars. So around the 30th, just before Halloween, if you are looking to the east, you'll see Mars in all its glory. Some really nice views of it at the end of the month. It'll be high in the sky, so that's looking to the east. You should be able to see it, no problem. Well, as long as you have good weather, of course. That always counts for something, right? Our moon phases for the month: first quarter on the 2nd, full moon on the 9th, third quarter is the 17th, new moon the 25th. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Have them subscribe. Hit the like button. Until next month, keep looking up at that beautiful sky. Bye-bye.